elevator up, elevator down, roll left, roll right, rudder right, rudder left, and then flaps. I'm gonna use one notch of flaps for.
I wouldn't even use flaps on the first takeoff. I mean, you can, but you don't know if they're gonna push the nose.
Now the thing is, I also I checked the controls last night and fish. Oh my god, I love fish.
Yeah, you got a lot of fish here.
Oh my god.
This drops off to 60 feet right there.
Got it.
Are you ready? Really ready.
All right.
There you go, perfect.
All right.
Yep.
Here we go.
Any way you want. Just keep it straight. Give it a little up. There you're up. Perfect. Flaps up. Ah, plane flies great.
Signal low.
Plane flies great. Touchy, huh?
That's fine. I like him touchy, actually.
Touchy, huh?
RF signal critical.
All good. Not gonna do anything crazy today, though. Just
keep it half of the lake so we don't have to go out too far to get it.
Yep.
RF signal critical.
It's looking good. In fact, they look great.
Oh yeah.
You might want to think of coupling the rudder in a little bit with the ailerons.
Yep, just like I learned with the Cub.
Exactly. The coordinated turn. Yep. I was going to do that with my Beaver.
RF signal critical.
I gotta turn off the telemetry. It's
Made you nuts, right?
yeah.
Yeah, it did the same thing with me. Yeah, so make a couple of
RF
passes,
signal critical.
you know, like you're going to come in, you know, at about 20 feet or so.
All right. Let me actually get her low.
Yeah, that's fine. That's plenty low.
RF signal critical.
You probably want to come in from the right. Looking good.
RF signal critical.
She doesn't want to go down.
Okay, that's okay. Just go across. Do a test. A little more juice. There you go. A little more. Yeah. Try to land a little closer.
Well, no, that was just a low pass attempt. I'm gonna keep her up a couple more minutes and do a couple.
You. Yeah, that's fine. You know how to fly. I'm gonna tell you. Nothing different in water flying. It's just the land. You got to give it a little more up. Let it just
RF
set.
signal critical.
Yep.
Do a little better flare. That's all. Is she trimmed
RF
okay?
signal critical.
Oh, it did not need even a touch of trim. It is
Right.
beautifully trimmed out of the box.
Watch the trees.
Yeah, you gotta watch this tree on the right.
The tree on
Got
the-
it.
RF
gets a
signal
lot of planes.
critical.
Yeah.
Okay, spotter mic. I'm gonna get some film.
RF
Feel
signal
free.
Critical.
Oh yeah,
RF
coordinating with the
signal
rudder is
critical.
really nice in this
It
thing.
is right. Makes a big
Absolutely.
difference. And you don't have to dial in a lot. Just a tap.
RF
Just
signal critical.
like flying in real life.
Exactly. Just want enough to tilt the nose.
All right.
You know, the interesting thing
RF
is most
signal low.
regular pilots can't fly RC.
I know. Yeah,
But they
just come in
can't-
like you usually come in.
Yep, I'm gonna make my landing approach.
Nice.
RF signal critical.
Don't stall.
Flaps are set.
All right.
You really don't need flaps.
Bring her around.
RF
Looks
signal
good.
critical.
Let her drop.
She floats so much that
Let her drop.
Keep them wings straight.
Let her drop. Keep the wings straight. Flare. Good. Oh my God, that was so sweet.
perfect.
Now bring it back. That was sweet.
Not
RF
perfect, but
signal low.
I'll take it. First seaplane landing ever. Thank
Good
you.
job. Good job. See, it's fun, right?
This thing flies beautifully,
Yes, it does.
and the water rudders work.
Yeah, Timber was on my favorite plane. Bring it over. I'll grab it. Bring it here. That's good.
Throttle cut.
Okay. And here we go.
Thank you.
Put your flaps up.
absolutely fantastic. I am so happy with it.
Any real need to change things just for the sake of